So you can see a tab named providers here, which has the complete list of providers that is supported by Amazon. So for example, you can see Meta here. So when you click on Meta, you can see all the models they provide. Similarly, Stability AI, you can see they provide this model and it generates images of high quality. Amazon itself also has its own models, Titan. So Amazon Titan models are trained on large datasets and they have a lot of variations. So I guess the latest one will be on the first. So you can explore to this console and learn more about these models. Next thing is custom models. Custom models is something you want to fine tune your data on some base models. So you can actually fine tune a model. You can just name a model and select which model you want to fine tune on, and then you provide the data, the labeled data set of your specific data, which has a data format. So you can see the data format here, which has a prompt and a completion, or it is depends on the task. So if it is text to text, like there is a prompt and a completion, or if it is a question answering task, there is a different data structure. So they have a lot of variations like text to image, image to embeddings. So you can go to this page again. Later we will see all this and we will build some cool applications. So let us just go roughly first and understand a high level overview. So once you set up everything, you can create a fine tuning job. Next thing you can see is guardrails. So this is a very cool application from Amazon. Basically, it helps your models to safeguard based on your use case and AI policies. See a very simple demo of this. So we'll create a guardrail. Let's do that. So let me just create a guardrail named test guardrail. So let me go next. Okay, it is saying invalid characters. I think space is not allowed, I guess. Okay, that's cool. So on the next screen, they have content filters. So when I enable it, it shows a lot of categories which your model should basically have a high filter strength. So basically your model should avoid that content. Like if it is a uh, hate related content or insult, it should not generate this content. So that is what it is saying. And also this also it is used for both prompts. So this is for prompt and this is for responses. So in every prompt, if it has hate or insult or anything related to these categories, it will basically avoid it. Similarly for responses, so let's have these filters enabled, and let me add a denied topic. So basically denied topic is something you want your model just to deny it. So in my this test guardrail, I want to deny any uh, any prompt that has uh, criticism, right? Okay, I have created it. Now let's go to next. So this word filters is basically something, they have something called profanity filter. Profanity filter is something which is deeply offensive, saying something deeply offensive in the model responses or in prompts. So let's enable that. And If you want, you can also have there's a custom words or phrases that basically you can also handle it. So you can set up to 10,000 words or phrases to be blocked by the guardrail. Okay, that looks cool, right? Let's see add sensitive information filters. So you can actually recognize PII data, any personal data. So and just block it. For example, if there is a name and if you want to mask it or block it, just mask it. Okay. So this is for personal data. If there is any personal data in the response, it kind of masks it before sending it to the user. So you can also add a regex pattern to block. Okay. So the last there's a what kind of message should we show when there is the guardrail is activated. So basically, let's use this default response. Okay, let's create this guardrail. Cool, we have now the guardrail. Let's go into the guardrail and let's select a model. I have access to these models for now. So let me try Titan Lite, maybe Titan Express, which is the latest. So okay, this is something very negative, right? Let's see what the model says. Oh, cool. So let's see the view trace first. So you see, I said something very uh, like negative stuff, ask the model something negative stuff. So it actually has a content filters which blocked my prompt, and it gives the response as this. This is very cool, right? Gives you a lot of handling without any doing any manual stuff. So